Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cache how to play. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Solitaire cache app, and then once you are here, what you need to do is set up your account, sign up or log in if you haven't, and then choose your game mode. You can select practice mode or real money mode, and then understand the basic rules like goals, moving cards, empty columns and stock file, and then play against other players as well, head-to-head mode and tournaments. You can understand the scoring and points as well, point system, completing foundation piles, speed and remaining cards, bonus points, and then lastly withdraw or cash out your winnings. If you're playing in cash mode and win game or tournament, your earnings will be created to your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.